What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when you're unable to turn off Do Not Disturb on your iPhone. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access the control center. Here, you will see a button labeled Focus, which manages all of your focus modes, including Do Not Disturb, Sleep and Work. Tap on Focus and your active modes will appear. If Do Not Disturb is turned on, simply tap on it to disable it. Additionally, you will notice options to enable focus modes for specific durations, such as for 1 hour or until this evening. If these options are causing Do Not Disturb to re-enable itself, you can customize or turn them off. To prevent this issue from happening again, it's a good idea to check your focus mode schedules. Open the Settings app and tap on Focus. Select Do Not Disturb from the list and review any automation or schedules that might be set up to enable it automatically. For example, focus modes can be scheduled to turn on at specific times, locations, or while using certain apps. If you don't need these schedules, disable them by toggling them off. If you are still unable to turn off Do Not Disturb, or if it keeps activating on its own, the issue might be related to a software glitch. In this case, make sure your iPhone software is up to date. Open Settings, select General, and then tap Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Software updates often include bug fixes that can resolve issues like this. After updating, it's always a good idea to restart your iPhone. To do this, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center and tap the power icon at the top. Slide the power off slider to turn off your iPhone. Once it's completely off, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears to turn it back on. Restarting your device refreshes all processes and can resolve minor glitches that might be affecting focus modes. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the problem and ensure that Do Not Disturb can be turned off when needed. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.